Welcome back everyone, back to the Central Boys with Imam Kiku and me, Feral. And today we have an interesting... Let's go! And today we have an interesting topic for us to cover. And that is UpShot. So what is UpShot? UpShot is basically an interesting platform where people can show their appraisal, show their ratings towards other people's NFT arts, which is very interesting. Yo.
Alright. So how they will rate your NFT with this platform. So let's get started. So if you are rating someone else NFT and then the review is good enough and follow the majority, you will get the incentive in their token, basically UPT. And the first one, you will join the community. The community in this term more likely the platform NFT platforms that are already registered in the UpShot itself.
Yeah.
So you follow the community of the platform in the UpShot. The apps will show it later. And then when you follow it, you open their profile, you will be asked the question which the NFT between the option A and option B is the better. So if you vote either of those, and then if the review is the most honest, in this term, the honesty, it means the majority people vote the same, and then the majority vote will get the paid in the UPT token, basically like that, right? And then, so this is the usage of the UpShot itself. The first one, to resolve prediction of the NFT market. So to make sure each the NFT types has its own standard price, so it doesn't fluctuate like the current market of the NFT right now. So it means determine the NFT price into real time. Let's say the NFT picture about let's say the NFT about the photography app on the scenery has a price about 1 ETH, and then the next day the demand increase, they will rate based on the view how much the price it should be. Either the NFT has the high demand for collector to buy, and then they stabilize the price, so decide the price in the real time. Because of that, it will be provide some insurance claim of its NFT. Make sure your NFT safe from the copy minters or the illegal NFT stealer, something like that. So also this insurance relate to your governance token, which is the UPT token. So the more UPT token the reviewer of the NFT has, it means your credibility is higher compared to other reviewer that has a lower UPT token, something like that. And also based on your review can which it means your voting, NFT voting, can predict the future market price and the market influence about certain types of NFT itself. This is from what I understand so far. And then the last one, to identify misinformation on social media, such as if you want to spread your NFT for marketing on the social media, sometimes people try to steal your teaser and then copy mint it, or maybe they want to misleading the detail about your NFT. So we prevent that in the UpShot platform. Alright, be clear so far, Feral?
Yes, let's go. Let's continue.
Alright, so far UpShot only have 3 social media platforms, but the one that we want to show you only the Twitter and the Instagram. So yeah, the Instagram one is basically only for the marketing of the platform itself, nothing special. and in the Twitter has lots of follower compared to Instagram, because here they retweet some of the potential partners that they already have, and some promotion also, and then the daily updates of the UpShot feature upcoming, basically like that. Right. So let's get started. So this is the homepage of the DApp. When you click the use UpShot like here, basically you connect your MetaMask wallet. I already connect with my NFT wallet. So here we are, the UI, and this is all the marketplace that already featured in the UpShot one. And you can also see the all group of NFT community platform that they registered inside the appraisal platform. But the first, let's see the profile. It looks like so. In here, about basically to show about your performance review, and then your funding reward, which is we will be explained later, and then your appraisal rewards also stayed in this place. Okay, and then this is the collection part where you put certain NFTs from the registered NFT platform inside the UpShot one will be listed on here also. Let's say you minting your own NFT on Rarible, and then Rarible already registered on the UpShot, so your minted NFT will show in here in this collection page. And the board basically to listing certain types of NFT that you already reviewed or appraised. Just create the board name, let's say type image, and then description, writing about image NFTs, and then save change. And then you will put certain part of the NFT on here. Basically, now there's no NFT on it, so yeah, we can listing it later. And then this is the groups, basically the registered NFT platform, or they said the community inside here. Let's say before we try to vote the NFT, we can also fund the NFT platform in here, and as the result of your funding in form of the USDC token, which is USD stablecoin, you will get the UPT governance token as the reward for helping them in funding. So this is total funding that already existed so far, and daily funding reward now is basically quite the same, because still new, only few people put on it. And then here we go. So now for the voting part, let's say which one do you want to use, Farrell?
CryptoPunks.
And let's say click the CryptoPunks. Before we voting, which the CryptoPunk is the most valuable. Let's see here. So this is their performance, about what they accept on the review, and so on and so forth, like I explained before. So let's vote. The vote is basically simple. Let's say I like this one, just click confirm, and the wallet will ask for the signing the contract, and the signing contract is free. You need to pay the gas fee, so no need to worry. Just click sign. Okay, so and then there's two options. There's no my favorite, and then okay, we click again, confirm, sign, click again. This one, pick the same one if you think that one is the best. And then they're shown another one, click again, we pick this one, and so on and so forth. After you sign bunch of the voting, you will have the activity review on this button over here.
Yeah, the
They will
activity tab,
list.
yeah.
They will list over here. This is your wallet address. Oh, the internet's kind of bad, so it's kind of long. Sorry. Okay, you got it. And then the registrar, and make sure you follow the community platform as well.
Yeah.
So to make sure what you already vote is valid, not just looking on it. So this is the one, the appraisal. So this one, the NFT listing that already sold, and they listed the market price right here, and this is the last sold value that they're listed. Okay, as you can see here, and then you put back. And do you think this NFT worth some price that seems reasonable? Let's say I put the price
$2 maybe.
Sorry,
$2.
Yeah.
I would buy that for $2.
$2. Okay, let's put $2. 0.01 Ethereum for the current price. Let's go. Submit. Okay. The submission will be confirmed soon. They will notice you several hours or several days. From what I understand, correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. And then the confidence in here, basically how much people that already appraise.
Already rate the NFT arts, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so that's about it so far that we can review, because this platform, it's still new.
Very new.
Launched this month. Yeah, about this week, right?
Yeah. It's about this week, yeah. Or last week.
Yeah, last week.
Yeah.
But for the last week, the Twitter follower is quite big, so kind of nice.
Yeah.
I think soon it will be solid, helping NFT community, especially now in the Ethereum space, for the more reasonable pricing.
Yeah, because because people tend to set their prices a bit too high for arts that is not worth the price, the actual price. Yeah, so having UpShot is very, very good, in my opinion. Yeah. Because current NFT market, like people want to have a get rich quick scheme, kinda. Yeah. Get rich quick scheme.
Yeah. All right. So before we closing, we also want to promote our team NFT presented by Scootbit. Here's the NFT in the DaVinci platform, which is using Harmony ecosystem. As you can see, it paid using one cryptocurrency, Harmony cryptocurrency, like here. This song actually legit, EDM and hip hop type. This is our main channel for our song release and other content, music podcast. And then this is the second YouTube channel for to know about the NFT teasers before you want to buy. So let's get it. Okay, hope you guys like it. We will put this link in the description as well, so you can check it out. And then also this is the page for the NFT profile on the Twitter. Make sure you follow it. Follow the Twitter along with our Twitter, Decentra Boys.
So guys, please follow Scootbit. Like, we make we're a community of music producers where we specialize in various types of music, mostly experimental, but the songs are they're lit. L-I-T, lit. I can guarantee you, legit
type with litus. All right. And also Scootbit is basically the main behind the Decentra Boys. So you guys also if you follow Decentra Boys, you also will follow Scootbit itself. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. to upcoming content and give some review about our just brief review about UpShot. If you guys think our review has kind of correction on it, just comment below. And
don't be afraid, guys. Don't be afraid. Also make sure you guys turn on the notification bell so you can follow up with our content, which is very, very relevant and very, very up to date. So you won't miss out on the latest news and the latest trends.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Okay. Now we closing the Central Boys.
Signing out. Thank you, everyone.